Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to another car meet. This is the AMG versus Porsche Cars and Coffee meet. It's at the Fairmont Sports Classics garage. Let's get going. Guys, we've arrived at the car meeting. Look at some of the cars. Oh, these are nice. Some lovely sports cars here, and look at some of the Japanese cars. Before it starts raining, we're having a look at some of the cars outside. So we've got two lovely W204 C63s, another W204 C63, a F-Type R, a Porsche Carrera 4, a lovely C63 W204, another W204 C63. We've got a W204 C63, a W205 C63S, a W204 C63, and a lovely W204 again T3. How nice is this 968 Club Sport? Does anyone like American Muscle? Because how nice is this Corvette Stingray? You don't see these often, a GT2 RS. How nice is this Mac one in this lovely charcoal grey? How beautiful is this E-Type Jag? Look at this lovely Porsche Spider. Look at this lovely 911 Carrera S. Look what we just found around the corner. These are really rare. C63 Black series. Look at that. Look at the wide arches, it really sets it off. This has got the aero kit as well, and look at all the carbon fibre on it. Look at the splitters.
I've seen it, yeah.
Guys, I've got to sit in the Black series. So nice. Guys, we've just spotted this garage over there and it looks like there's some really nice cars in here. Let's have a look. Look at this Lancer. Look at this Lancer Delta Integrale. Wow, look at this Lancer. Wow, look at this Lancer Delta Integrale. Wow, look at this Lancer Delta. Look at this Lancer in. Wow, look at this Delta. Wow, look at this Delta Integrale. Guys, there's 3 Estons in here. Look at this beast, AMG SV Power. How cool is this little mini convertible? Look at this XKRS, and these are 550 brake horsepower. I love these DB7 because they've got a V12 engine. These F-Type R sounds amazing because they've got a 5-litre V8. Let's see some cars leasing. Nice.